Morning, Jim Barrett from RJO Futures, Wednesday the 21st. Okay, notes and bonds a little lower this morning. The yield curve steepening a little bit. Bank stocks seem to like that. They're all up 1.5% today. Interesting point earlier in the week. There was big hype about the notes and bonds, surprising people to the upside. Of course, in the end of last week, early this week, of course, that turned out to be a pretty good trading high. We pulled off a point and a half or almost 2 points, actually, in the bonds, a little less in the notes, of course, because as I said, I mean, the yield curve after flattening sharply for weeks has hit a little bit of a rough patch here, and the bonds have pulled back. Support, we're nearing support, 136.09 support. I believe today's low so far, 136.16. However, I don't expect much of a bounce as long as the stock indexes stay hot, and they all are very hot this morning. Overseas markets led things higher, and New York has come in buyers also. As far as reports to look out for or other fundamentals, well, Dudley has already spoke. He's always dovish. That's out of the way. Yellen speaks soon, in about an hour. Esther George, kind of a hawk, speaks at 12:50. Fed governor from Minnesota speaks at 1:30. These guys are all on the docket today anyways. And then the FOMC meeting minutes from last month are released at 1 o'clock Central. That'll be probably a bigger deal than any of the Fed governor's speeches. Tomorrow, jobless claims, PM manufacturing index, home sales, existing home sales. That'll be interesting. Leading economic indicators, KC Fed manufacturing. And Friday morning, last report before the big 3-day weekend, new home sales at 9 o'clock. So the notes about hit a high water mark Friday. That probably holds for a while. I don't expect a big backup in yields, but as long as these stock indexes are trading higher, expect some pressure on the interest rate sector, the risk-off sector. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any futures market. Have a great trading day. Thank you. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.